right, David, show me what you got.
Now, Ayesha, I am so excited to be able to cook a recipe out of your cookbook, but I don't know what we're cooking today other than it's on page 31. Oh, so we're making peanut butter and jelly cereal French toast. Hi, everyone. I'm David Venable, and this is Ayesha Curry, and this is called Am I Doing It Right?
Are you? Let's see.
So let's get busy and get started. Now, let's first see what the ingredients are. Peanut butter, strawberry jam. So I only count 10 ingredients. That's easy. Do you do a lot of cooking with 10 ingredients or less?
Yep. You can. You absolutely can.
So what it says first is to spread the peanut butter and jelly on the bread. So we're basically making a sandwich. Do you have a favorite type of peanut butter? Do you like creamy or crunchy?
Creamy. You want room temp peanut butter and jelly. If it's cold, your bread's falling apart.
So I've made one sandwich, and right before I make the second one, I'm going to preheat this pan between low and medium heat. That way that butter's not going to burn.
That is a beautiful pan, if I do say so myself.
Nice thing about a sandwich like this is that once you clap the lid on there, it doesn't matter if it's really beautiful, right? It just matters that you get enough of each ingredient.
That is accurate.
In a wide, shallow bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Now, Ayesha, do you like to work with room temperature eggs? Or do you prefer them right out of the fridge cold?
I think room temp is best. It mixes everything together a little bit better.
2 tablespoons of milk. So whole milk, I'm guessing. There's 1.
You can use cream if you're feeling sassy.
2. In goes the cinnamon, a little nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Ayesha, why the salt?
Whenever you're doing anything baking-wise, you want to add a pinch of salt to balance out the sweet. It's a whole thing.
Break up the yolks. Now, Ayesha, I read in the recipe that we're going to put this egg mixture on a plate. That's super smart because that way you don't have to put that great big clunky sandwich into this little small bowl, right?
Exactly. And you're not squishing your sandwich and mushing it. And you can get it evenly coated with that egg batter.
We'll coat this one side, the other side. So now I've dipped the sandwich. Ayesha, you might be a little impressed that we have magic in our kitchen because everything moved all around. Yeah, it did. It's the magic of television and really, really good help.
I know all about that, David.
Okay, now what we've done is we've taken the crushed cereal and we put it on a bowl here, and now I'm just going to coat this. Now, just one press each side, or do you pick it up and sprinkle it on top?
Just one
Ayesha?
press each side.
Like that.
All right.
It smells really good. Now, Ayesha, do you ever make this with different flavors? Do you ever put anything else in there? Do you ever
Almond butter, apricot jam. You can do Nutella and banana.
maybe some banana and bacon? You know, a little ode to Elvis.
Ooh, banana and bacon.
Okay, so let's get some butter into this pan so it can be melting. I also understand that this pan is from your line, Ayesha. I don't think I've ever seen that marble finish before.
Exactly. You have not ever seen that marble before. It is exclusive.
How did you come to design that really pretty finish on the outside of this pan?
I really wanted it, and that's how it came to life.
Ooh, you hear that sizzle? That means our cereal is starting to brown. The peanut butter is starting to melt. The French toast is browning. Mmm.
He's slaying.
I'm going to also spread a little bit of that butter before I flip it. I think everything's better with butter.
Agreed.
Always have felt that way. Now, does your husband like this dish, or is this strictly just for the kids?
He loves it. I think I'm the one in my house that likes it more so the best.
These look great. We're going to get them out of the skillet and onto the cutting board. Ayesha, is this the way it's supposed to look?
We could have went a little darker on the crust, but oh, syrup. You put syrup.
But really, the only way to know that if it's perfect is to take a big old bite. Okay, Ayesha. There's something I do that you may not know that I do, but I do it, and I'd like you to do it with me. It's the happy dance. There it is. I have really enjoyed cooking with you today, Ayesha. I hope you've enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good. Okay. This is really good.